How long should you fast to trigger autophagy? What if every time you ended your fast, you stopped just minutes before your body's real healing even began? Like turning off the washing machine right before the final rinse. It looks done, but the dirt's still there. Fasting works the same way. And today, you'll finally learn how long it actually takes before your body flips that hidden switch, the one called autophagy, your built-in cellular cleaning system. Autophagy isn't a trend, it's biology. It's how your body cleans out old, damaged cells and recycles them into new, stronger ones. It helps slow aging, boost energy, and repair your system from the inside out. But here's what most people don't realize. The timing matters. Stop too early and you miss the magic. Go too long and you burn out. So where's the sweet spot? Most people fast for 12 or maybe 14 hours and think that's enough. Sure, that's great for digestion or weight control, but when it comes to triggering autophagy, you've barely scratched the surface. Your body needs time to burn through its stored sugar before it even thinks about cleaning house. And this timing depends on your lifestyle, metabolism, and how often you've fasted before. That's why two people can do the same fast, but only one actually activates this powerful repair mode. If you want to understand your body better, instead of guessing what works, hit that subscribe button. Because we make science feel simple. Think of your body like a house. Every day, dust gathers, dead cells, waste proteins, toxins. Autophagy is like a deep clean your body does when you stop feeding it new stuff. After about 12 hours, your body runs out of quick energy from food. Between 16 and 18 hours, it starts burning fat and gently turning on autophagy. By 24 hours, the process gets stronger. Old, damaged parts inside your cells get broken down and recycled into fuel. And between 24 and 36 hours, your body hits what most experts call the repair zone, when autophagy works at full power. You've probably felt that dip in energy and thought it was hunger, but it's actually your cell's cleaning house. And here's the twist. Not everyone reaches this zone at the same time. If you're active, eat clean, or fast often, you'll get there faster. If you eat a lot of carbs or deal with insulin resistance, it might take longer. And that's okay. Your body has its own rhythm. But here's the part hardly anyone talks about. You can kill autophagy in seconds. Yep, one wrong sip or bite can shut the whole process off instantly. Before we dive into the biggest mistakes, tap that like button so more people can discover how to unlock their body's natural repair system. So what breaks it? 1. Sweetened drinks. Even a splash of milk or a packet of artificial sweetener can raise insulin enough to stop the cleaning process. Stick with black coffee, green tea, or water. 2. Stress. When your stress hormones stay high, they confuse your body into thinking it's under attack, and repair goes on pause. Staying calm is just as important as not eating. 3. The first meal after fasting. If you break your fast with processed carbs or sugary foods, you undo the reset you worked for. Start light, bone broth, avocado, or a handful of veggies, then eat normally after an hour or two. And if you're wondering how often to do this, here's a simple plan. Beginners. Start with 16 to 8. Fast for 16 hours, eat for 8. Intermediate. Try one 24-hour fast per week. Advanced. Go for 36 hours occasionally, but listen to your body and stay hydrated. Remember, autophagy isn't about punishment. It's about balance. Your body needs time to clean and time to rebuild. Fasting isn't deprivation. It's permission for your body to do maintenance. So, how long should you fast to trigger autophagy? Most people reach it somewhere between 18 and 36 hours, depending on metabolism, diet, and experience. There's no perfect number, just your number. Listen to your body. Notice your energy, your focus, your hunger. When you feel lighter, clearer, and strangely calm, that's usually a sign that the switch has flipped. Autophagy isn't a magic trick. It's nature's reset button, built into every one of us. You just have to give it time. If you want to know the 5 signs your fasting is actually working, watch my next video. It'll help you spot when your body is in deep repair mode so you know your effort's paying off.